Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Downward rise to the side. Back down. In. This time, bend at the elbows, gather in, rest down. Sink the cheek. In. Breathe out. And now take one foot and step it out about shoulder width, and the arms float up in front of us and fall back down. Breathing in, out. And this is opening the door. And now, fingertips together, run those arms out and give them a big hug. And now, this hand flows to the top and this hand follows underneath, and embrace the moon. Give that one a toss, switch your hands, and catch it again. Breathing in, and out. Now bring those fingertips back together and give that big hug again. Sink the cheek. Up to the corner, and one hand follows underneath. Switch the hands and float across. Waving hands like clouds. Switch the hands and float across the sky. In and out. And over here, make a hook, take a step in, take a step out, and this hand comes up and out for single lift. Turn up the waist, bring it back, and single lift. Breathing in. Drop the hug and wave hands like clouds. Make your hook over here, take that step in and step out and single whip. Breathing in and out. Turn at that waist, at the waist, and bring it back. And drop the hook, float across the sky. Make your hook on the side, take that step in and step out, maybe a little wider this time, and single whip. And now reverse directions and a little squat. Dip. Dip. Up and over, bring it back and bring your hand down between and snake creeps down. Drop the hook and float across the sky. Make your hook over here, take that step in, step out wide, single whip. Reverse the direction and a little squat. Up and over, and bring it back, and snake creeps down. Breathing in and out. And drop the hook and float across the sky. Make a hook on the side, take that step in, step out wide, single whip. Reverse directions and neck creeps down. And now, when we're here, this hand comes down behind your back and out. Swimming dragon. Do it on this side. And float across the sky. Take that hook, step in, step out wide, single whip. Reverse the direction, snake creeps down. And now, over here, drop the hook, hand comes down behind your back, and let the dragon swim. And float across the sky. And slowly float back to center. Making each turn just a little bit smaller. And give that big hug again. And sink the chin. And now come up and over that moon. Back up to the heart space. And release. Back up and over. Press it down. Make a diamond shape with your finger and press it out. And share the heart. And release. Let's do that again. Diamond shape, press it out. One last time. Press it out. Release, sink the chi one time. Cross the wrists at the bottom and run them up, up overhead, and back down. Scoop it up, up, and let's close the door. And this time, just shoulder height. And the arms float back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and a little down. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. See you next time.